Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Xbox Live subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly end your membership. Step 1. Turn on your Xbox console and sign into your Xbox account. Navigate to the home screen by pressing the Xbox button on your controller. Step 2. Open the Settings menu by scrolling to the gear icon, then select Account to access your account management options. Step 3. Choose Subscriptions from the account menu to view all active subscriptions associated with your Xbox account. Step 4. Locate your Xbox Live Gold or Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription in the list and select it to view detailed subscription information. Step 5. Click on Manage to access subscription management options, then select Cancel Subscription from the available choices. Step 6. Xbox will display information about what you'll lose access to after cancellation. Review this information carefully, then confirm that you want to proceed with cancellation. Step 7. Select a reason for canceling from the drop-down menu or provide feedback if prompted. This step is optional but helps Xbox improve their services. Step 8. Confirm your cancellation decision. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period, after which it will not renew. Check your email for cancellation confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.